What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. It's another explore. What's going on? What's happening this year? She's hiding out of sight, look. Boosh, can you recognize what is going on? Been different colours on the years. It's been here since the 1970s. Boosh, Duke of Lancaster. Apparently there's some sort of ebook as well about it. So, trapped in a pirate republic. I don't know. I think the only reason why it's trapped because there's no fire exit. They can safely get people back and forth. Did you know that? True story. Some of you don't. So let's pick it up. We're gonna go for a little walk around. We're gonna see it from the left side. We're gonna see it from the right side. Depending on how much drone battery I've got left, I might even get the drone up and do a couple of quick passes as well. So come on, let's get into it. So there we go. As you walk down the left path, you can see a little glimpse here and there of it. Been various things over the years. Started out as a car ferry back in the day, which is pretty damn cool. Just Google Duke of Lancaster, you'll see pictures of it in its heyday. And then it was an open air graffiti backdrop basically, so I had some amazing graffiti all over it. I was lucky enough to see it like that a few times. So do you know what, picture up a screen of when it was graffitied. Aside from that, it got painted about 2-3 years ago, and bugger all else has happened to it, simply because there's no proper access to it. So it's a health and safety nightmare. You can just about see some of the graffiti as well still on the windows over there. But I got a love affair with this shit, man. I love it. There we go, we got some cool graffiti up on that one. Now the car park for this place is closed at the minute. There's a couple of bays further out you can actually get at. And a lot of you don't know, there is actually a back road. You can see where people have parked there, so you can still get at it to come and see it. Security on site 24/7. There's no point in even trying to get on it. But yeah, that's the Duke of Lancaster. So we're going to switch it up and let's attack it from the other side. Whoosh. There we go. This is the other side of it, which you can take in more of the ship really. You can see there's a lot less trees fencing in the way, and some lovely sea views as well. There we go, that is a Duke of Lancaster fun ship. Cool place, give it a Google and check it out. But I hope you've enjoyed the video. A lot more similar stuff coming soon, a lot of stuff already on the channel. And yeah, got to plug Viking Views and Portal Paranormal when I'm here. Go over and check those out, link in the description. But until next time, that's a bit more than North Wales Adventure done. Stay tuned, a lot more coming. Boosh!